Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Samsung. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type in Files and install free app called Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then choose Continue in the pop-up. Select Allow and click on the switcher next to Files by Google app. Finally, select Clean at the bottom left corner and click on Clean under Junk Files. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!